There are other angles that are not adjustable but are nonetheless essential for balanced steering control. If these angles are incorrect, the repair usually calls for the replacement of the defective components. Let's take a look at these now, beginning with the steering axis inclination.
Remember, the steering axis on vehicles with upper and lower control arms can be thought of as a line drawn through the ball joints. On McPherson strut suspensions, the steering axis can be thought of as a line extending from the upper strut bearing through the ball joint. Steering axis inclination, or SAI, refers to the inward tilt of the top of the steering axis. It is also measured in degrees. When the steering axis line is extended downward, it touches the road somewhere in the tire contact patch. The SAI is a stability angle. On a vehicle with SAI, the tip of the spindle is at the highest point in relation to the body when the wheels are straight ahead. This changes when the wheels are turned. Steering axis inclination causes changes in spindle height as the vehicle is steered. These changes are similar to the spindle height caused by caster. As the wheel is turned in either direction, the spindle will tilt downward. Since the vehicle will not drop lower into the road, the steering then must push the vehicle up. The weight of the vehicle acting through the spindles tends to pull the wheels back to the straight-ahead position. On the road, SAI lifts the vehicle as the wheels are turned. This effect can also be seen when the vehicle is parked. When the wheels are steered back and forth, the front of the car rises and falls. The SAI and camber combine to form what is called the included angle. The included angle is calculated as SAI plus or minus camber. The included angles on each side of the vehicle should normally be within 1/2 of 1 degree of one another. If the included angle is incorrect, the front strut or spindle assembly is bent. This can cause the vehicle to wander, weave, have rapid tire wear, or a steering wheel that does not return to center after completing a turn. This type of damage is usually the result of a front-end collision. The only way to correct included angle is to replace the damaged spindle or strut.